Hi there, this is Mark Ittleman, the speech pathologist who can make a rock talk, and welcome to this edition. And this edition, this little video, is entitled Wear Anything You Want. And here you are, you're looking at me making this presentation to you today, and you might be wondering, well, God, holy camole, Mark, how come you're wearing a hat and you're in a really relaxed kind of shirt? And gosh, is that how you address your clientele and the people who are interested in your book, The Teaching of Talking? Well, the title of this, again, is Wear Anything You Want. And you might be saying, well, what do you mean, Mark, wear anything you want? Well, the teaching of talking is a method of speech therapy that is designed to be used at home. And it's designed to be used by a caregiver with a loved one, with a person at home who has a speaking difficulty. So one of the great things about therapy is that the caregiver, first of all, learns the therapy, and secondly, that the caregiver is stimulating speech all day long. And you could be wearing whatever you want. You could be wearing a nasty old shirt, a hat. You could be wearing an old dress or a comfortable pair of shorts or jeans or a sweatshirt or a t-shirt or just about anything. You see, because with the teaching of talking, the caregiver learns how to provide the speech and language stimulation, and the stimulation is done at home. So you can be wearing whatever you want. You don't have to worry about getting dressed, getting in the car, going out to formalize speech therapy at a hospital or a private clinic, because you can learn how to do expert speech and language stimulation at home. And if you're at home, guess what? You don't have to worry about putting on makeup, doing your hair, getting all dressed, doing all of that stuff that takes so long. You don't have to worry about getting in the car, driving down to the medical center, or paying the tolls, or paying the parking fees, or the parking garage fees like we have to do in Houston. So just remember that you can wear anything you want when you're learning how to do and when you're doing speech and language stimulation with the teaching of talking method. You can be at home, you can be wearing what you want, you can be as comfortable as you want. And that's the message that I have for you today. This is Mark Ittleman, the speech pathologist who can make a rock talk. Please come see us at the Teaching of Talking, or teachingoftalking.com, where you can find out more about what we're doing. There's lots of videos and other information there. That's teachingoftalking.com. Please come see us there, and please remember that you can do lots of speech and language stimulation at home. It's quite fun, it's easy, you don't have to worry about homework sheets and homework notebooks and stuff like that. You learn to stimulate speech and language at home in the situation of eating breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or of interacting with your loved one. That's where the stimulation occurs, and that's why it's such a marvelous method. This is Mark Ittleman, the speech pathologist who can make a rock talk. Come see us, and make sure you buy the book, The Teaching of Talking. Bye-bye now.